Hello, and now I talk on these puzzles. Yeah, I don't know why, but yeah. So it's red and black mostly. Some smooth pieces on top here. Yeah. So you can see something is going on here. Can't move anything. Yeah. So yeah. So what you wanna do first is you wanna actually lift this. So you can slide this and then slide this out. Can you take it out? You slide down here so you can slide. Wait. Slide this out. Can't anymore, so you slide this little piece. Take it out. It's a key here. So what you wanna do now is you wanna slide this a bit to this, and you see here that's the piece for this. And if you lift it, you can put in your key here in a hole, and if you push, oops, this come out, and here is your prize. It will be kind of similar to Chrome or something, but matte, I don't care. Put it back, and your key, you lift and push in, and you take this, and have it slide like that. Slide everything back. So there you go.